Welcome to Goldstone Finvest. I am Prabhat Majumdar. I would share today's market update. Today on Tuesday, Nifty traded higher for major part of the session and closed on strong note for the second consecutive session on March 2 after Friday's mayhem. Looking at the market ended higher for the second consecutive day on March 2 with Nifty reclaiming 14,900 supported by IT and auto stocks. At close, the Sensex was up by almost 447 points at 50,296 and the Nifty was up almost 157 points at 14,919. Thus, studying today's market, experts observed that the Nifty crossed 14,950, which is the upper end of the resistance patch. The new updated support for the Nifty is 14,600 to 14,650. Studying the market, the Nifty formed a bullish candle with a long lower shadow on the daily scale, which indicates that decline is being bought. It continues forming higher lows from the last two sessions and closed near to a key gap area of the bearish island reversal pattern. Detailing the charts, the Nifty has to continue to hold above 14,750 zones to extend its move towards 15,000, then 15,150 zones. While on the downside, immediate support exists at 14,750, then 14,600 levels. Observations were made that the index formed a bearish candle on the daily charts as closing was higher than opening levels. Experts advised that despite bulls making an impressive attempt to rally into the bearish gap zone of 14,919 to 15,065 levels registered on last February 26, 2021, one needs to be cautious as this pullback attempt may get faltered unless Nifty closes above 15,100 levels. Despite this pullback from the lows of 14,467 levels, none of the reliable momentum oscillators generated a buy signal on lower time frame charts, hinting that index is not yet completely out of the woods. Hence, at this juncture, the best strategy can be to remain neutral on the long side unless some more strength is visible on the index with a close above 15,100 levels. Thus, the detailed study observations were made for Nifty, which opened higher at 14,865 and remained largely volatile with positive bias. The index hit a day's high of 14,959 in late trade and closed at 14,919. The volatility sharply dropped further, which also supported the bullish bias. The India VIX was down by almost 7%. Observing today's Bank Nifty, which opened with a gap up at 35,458 but failed to hold above 35,750 and drifted lower to hit a day's low of 35,002. However, it witnessed a decent recovery from lows and settled the day with gains of 123 points at 35,419. The index formed a doji kind of candle on a daily scale as it closed near its opening levels, but emergence of long lower shadow indicates that declines are being bought. Now, Bank Nifty has to continue to hold above 35,000 to witness a bounce towards 36,000 and 36,250, while on the downside, support is seen at 35,000, then 34,500 levels. The broader markets also joined the rally as the Nifty Mid-Cap Index gained 1.7% and Small Cap Index was up by 1.24% on positive breadth. About 3 shares advanced for every 2 declining shares on the NSE. Considering the options front, on options front maximum put open interest was seen at 14,000 followed by 13,500 strike, while maximum call open interest was at 16,000 followed by 16,500 strike. Call writing was seen at 15,400, then 15,500 strike, while put writing was seen at 13,900, then 14,600 strike. Option data indicated that the Nifty could see an immediate trading range of 14,700 to 15,150 levels for the coming sessions. On stocks front, bullish setup was seen in auto. Index added 3% and the IT index jumped 2.8%. Capital goods, FMCG, healthcare and power indices rose 1% each. Mid and small caps outperformed their larger peers with each adding 1.5%. What could we expect for tomorrow's trading session? Experts researched that in the next trading session, if the index manages to get past 14,959 levels, then intraday strength may get extended into the zone of 15,065 to 15,100 levels, whereas weakness can be expected if it slips below 14,850 levels. Experts advise to maintain caution till the index decisively closes above 15,100 levels in the coming sessions. Experts suggest that if we can keep above that level for the next couple of days, we would be all set to reactivate the bullish undertone of the markets and should then see higher levels of 15,200 to 15,300. As stated by Goldstone experts, traders should trade extremely cautiously with strict stop losses and should follow support and resistance levels on strict basis. Follow support and resistance levels along with trading call as published on our Telegram channel. For regular updates, like, share and subscribe our YouTube and Telegram channel. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Also be a part of our Facebook family. Views by Goldstone Finvest. Let's build fortune together.